G'day guys, Matty from FOURBIE Sessions Australia. I've got a Scangauge, so I'm going to show you all the little functions you can have in the Mazda BT50. Yes, I was using another brand there for a while and it was working really well, there's no doubt about it. But with these Scangauges, you can tap into auto temps, EGTs, ambient air pressure. There's so many different things that you can actually tap into, and I'm super keen to watch them, I tell you. So I'm going to just hook it up quickly and then I'll show you how to use these X-Gauges. Just go on their website, type in X-Gauge commands, obviously for a Mazda. So this is one that I'm super keen on. So BT50 2008 newer, that's all we need. So we'll start typing in these numbers and then we should be able to use it. Okay, so we go into more, change to X-Gauge, like that, edit, X-Gauge, edit, then we start typing in those numbers onto here. So now you can just go ATF and it'll load up with the temperature. So there we have it. Helps when you put in the right numbers. I missed a number. The automatic transmission, fluid temperature 20.9 degrees, 21 degrees now, so pretty stoked. I'm going to be watching that just mainly to see how it's going, especially with towing the van and stuff like that. We're very interested to know how it goes. So I have been playing around with this gauge a bit more. We've now got air temp, intake temps, exhaust temp, and auto transmission temperature as well. Auto's been getting up around 95 degrees. So, you know, if you know what temps I should be running, please let me know. From what I've read, they reckon anything over 130, you really need to look at another cooler. So I'm not really too sure about that. This one's been sitting around 300. I don't know why it's jumping up and down. I think it's because it just started it. But yeah, it's around 300 to 350. There is another exhaust temp sensor that you can go get the temperature from, so I'm going to put that in. Actually, might do that right now so we can see what that one's doing. So just hit save, exit, go home, hit the gauge. Now we're going to change this one down to E13. E13. So that seems to be more accurate. Well, there you have it, guys. It's that simple to use a Scangauge. I've shown you how to use the X-Gauge compartment, which, to be honest, is just brilliant. I love the fact that you can customize this gauge to suit your needs. Obviously, I'm running a couple of different setups, whether I'm towing, whether I'm just cruising around. So I'm super keen on that. I've started playing with the fuels and all that kind of thing. I haven't read up enough on it yet, to be honest, so I didn't really want to show you what to do because I'm not 100% not 100% myself yet. But yeah, if you do know what auto temps I should be sitting on, or roughly is a good temperature to be sitting on, please let me know in the comments below. I would really love to know, especially whether I need to upgrade this cooler or not. But yeah, anyway guys, any questions, hit me up below, hit me on the socials, FOURBIE Sessions Australia, and I'll bring you another video real soon. Have a good one.